In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install a Schlage door lock. You'll notice that it comes with the handle itself. This is a locking model, interior locking, and the door striking accessories. So first thing you want to install is the door strike using the provided screws. You'll notice in this kit, you have a door strike, you have a handle release pin, and some screws. For a standard door, all you really need is the strike itself. So there's your strike. That goes on the door, line it up, press it in place, and then providing the screws, and using the provided screws, you screw it in place. Now what you want to do is line up the screw to the center of the hole so the plate doesn't move, like so. And then just screw it in. Again, same thing for the bottom screw. Center it. Screw it in. Now I like to use a good old-fashioned screwdriver, number 2 Phillips, as not to strip the screws. Next, I'm going to install the door handle itself. Now this is what they call a bath and bed lock and door set. So obviously, you take it apart. Now what you want to do is put the latch in. And again, screw that in place. Again, using the provided screws. Now what you want to make sure is that the door mechanism is facing the correct way, so that way when it hits the strike, you can close the door. Now you want to bang the plate in place, that way you have a nice fit. Again, you can use your screwdriver. I wouldn't use a hammer as not to damage the finish. Again, center it and screw it in. So if you put it this way, it kind of faces up. So don't worry about that. Just put the handle in. They could face the wrong way for now. And just get them in there. They'll lock. As you can see, it locks. Obviously the handles are going the wrong way. Again, not a big issue for the fact that these handles are interchangeable. Again, what you want to do is put your screws in so it holds it in place. Again, I like to use a screwdriver so that way you don't strip your screws. I know it takes a little bit longer, but you don't ruin the finish on the handle itself. Again, that one's done, and now you want to do the top one. Perfect. Now time to switch the handle out. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little pin right over there. Right there. So what you do is you put the pin release clip that comes with the package inside a little hole, and it releases. That simple. To release the interior handle, there's a little hole right there. What you want to do is you put in the release clip, pop it in the hole, and pull out. Now, this is the outside handle. You pop that in. As you can see, done. You want the handle facing down so your palm can sort of hit that handle. So again, same exact thing here. I took the handle from the inside and now switched it around. Again, it just goes in, clicks in place. As you can see, you're done. The door handles work perfect. And now, as you can see, perfect fit. You can lock the door. Perfect. And it's done.